Now today I'm going to show you how to remove what you're seeing right here, a pretty shaky camera that's picking up vibrations through the table from me moving this stuff around and kind of bumping the table, opening the box, etc., etc. And this technique will also work if you're perhaps hand holding a camera and you're picking up some gentle swings, some gentle vibrations. You go ahead and just use stabilization in Davinci Resolve. Now, as always, there's 3 different ways to do it, but this is the easiest in my opinion. Just make sure you have the clip selected. Come over to the inspector over here. Under video, come down to, boom, right here, stabilization tab. Now, once in here to fix the exact problem you see, I go ahead and leave it on perspective and I check camera lock. Now, if you're using this for a different application, you may need to come to the modes dropdown and pick a different algorithm. These are 3 different types of algorithms that will ever so slightly differ in the way that they fix this stabilization. For this particular one, I went to perspective, and once again, you may need to adjust some of these other adjustments depending on your use case application. But if you check camera lock, which for having a completely still camera, just picking up vibrations, this is the one that seems to work the best. I go ahead and click on stabilize, and now the algorithm is doing its work, and you'll see it'll zoom in slightly. That's because if it doesn't zoom in, that's having this zoom right here checked. I would generally say always have that checked. You'll have black edges kind of popping in and out around the camera. That's how it kind of moves and does its thing in order to fix the vibrations and the movement. So as I play it forward now, you see there is much less, almost no vibration really left in the video, making it look way better, way more professional.